Time to get to work, team. Time to get to work, team.
Systems online and ready to dig. Reporting for hauling duty. Right there, Red. Clear out the foundation. Keep it coming. I can carry plenty more. Lifting the steel to the upper floors now.
Easy does it, Crane. Watch the wind.
First load is out. Heading back soon.
Perfect placement. Steady as a rock.
Found another layer to clear out. I'm back for Mo. Load me up.
Ooh, the depth is perfect. Good job, Red.
Cement delivery arriving at level 3. That's a full house. Thanks, buddy.
Crane, clear the area for the concrete pour.
Area cleared and standing by. Heading to the dump site now. Digging phase complete. Ready for support.
Attention! Everyone, prepare for the structure phase! Ready for the pour, Crane?
Reinforcing the edge now. I'm back and ready for a new load.
Let's keep the site clear, Red.
Returning for more steel. Load me up, I'll take this out.
This level is looking solid.
Heavy beam incoming. Stay clear below.
Go on, Blue. See you in an hour. Go on, Blue. See you in an hour. The structure is rising fast today.
Organizing the supply line. Clearing out the debris boxes.
Back from the dump. Ready for round 3. One more hole here, Red. Then we're done with digging.
Window units arriving at floor 10. I'll take those empty pallets away. Found foundation work complete! Great job, everyone! Look at that skyscraper rise!
We make a great team!